In this video, we're going to talk about lighting. So if you want to know more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about lighting. I was asked last month to show how to use the proper lighting or what lighting to use when recording a video. Now I am no means a professional, but I did do a little research to find out the proper setup for lighting. Now this is the light kit that I use, and my sister purchased this light kit for me last year for Christmas. So this is the proper setting for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down and show you how it looks when someone is sitting in a chair and recording a video, to show you the different types of lighting. So I hope you enjoy this, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below so I can answer them at the best of my ability. Now, before we go on, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, if you're enjoying the content that I'm showing you today, please hit that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, this video is a collaboration with the Mastermind Influencer team. And the host of the Mastermind is Lady Phoenix at Really Good Living. And the co-hosts are Penny at Penny's Place, Sandy at Grandma Sandy's, myself, Stephanie, at Creatively MsMe, and N at Renters Live Luxury by N, and ditz. Now, I will have the links to all these ladies and the playlist down below in the description. Okay, this is the setup that I learned that was for lighting. Now, you have the field light, the main light, and the background light. Now, of course, it's called the key light is the main light. And that's the source that should be on the right side. It doesn't have to be the right. It could be the left side of the camera. The field light is an added light, and it helps with a shadow, so you won't get a shadow on your person. It should be on the opposite side of your main light. Now, your backlight is to remove any separation between the subject and the background. Now, the secret tip is there should be a smaller light sitting farther back to give you the distance between the wall or whatever's behind you and the subject. But that's a lot of extraness, and I don't do that. But this is the proper setup that I learned for your lighting. Now, what I'm going to do is to show you an example of how the different lights look. Now, the reason I'm not talking is my husband is looking at the game, and I have the lights set up to show you the difference in shading. Now, all three lights are on right here in this caption, and I'm going to turn them off one by one so you can see the difference in the lighting of the videos with the proper lighting. So, I'm not looking stupid for a reason, for no reason. I am sitting here because I wanted to show you the difference of the shading. Now, in this one, I've cut off the background light, so you can see there's a little shadow or shading over here for the background light. Now here, I've cut off the filler light, so you can see the difference. Only the background light and the main light are on, and you see the shadow on the other side. Now here I've cut off the main light, and you can see the difference in the shading here as versus I have on the filler light and the background light. You see the difference in the backgrounds? Yes, I know I look goofy, but I was trying to show you the example of the lighting. Here is the setting. That's the main light with no cover on it. Then you have your tripod where your camera sits, and you have your filler light with the umbrella to make it a little softer. And then on the back over here, you have the smaller background light. Now, I have it sitting there, but it should be sitting closer to the wall. I just want to show you the setup and the angles of all the lights. Now, everything you see here was purchased from Amazon. The tripod, the cell phone holder for the camera, and all three lights. Now, the three lights came in the package together, and I think they were like $45 for the set of three. And my sister did purchase that for me on Amazon for Christmas. So the lighting kit from my sister has been a true blessing because it has made my videos appear a little bit clearer and you can see everything. Now, they did come with 3 umbrellas as I'm showing you here, but I'm only using one in this caption. Now, of course, right here, I am using the natural light. I am sitting in front of the window in my formal dining room. That's the best light. If you cannot afford to get a light kit at this time, the natural light outside is a wonderful light. You put your camera at the back of your camera at the window, open your curtains and blinds, and you use your natural light. And you see you have a good light on me for this caption here. Yes, I'm looking a little goofy, but I just wanted to show you the difference in the lighting. I will include a link down below to show you where these lights were purchased at Amazon. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me comments down below, as I said before, and I will answer them at the best of my ability. So I hope this was very informative to you. And again, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe saying you be blessed.